Okay, is it? Alright, we're butt scooting off the treadmill at 3 miles an hour. Do it again, I didn't tape it. Well, like I did.
Alright, just go.
Whatever.
3 miles per hour.
Ow! 3 points.
What's it at now?
3.5. Oh, Lord.
Don't watch.
We get entertained so easily. Holy crap.
3 points.
What if we got to 5?
Oh, we gonna get there. Let's go.
My butt. Your turn.
Oh my god. We gotta do 10.
It feels so much faster than you're actually going.
Wait. Go.
I like how we both fall. What's it at now?
10. I'm just kidding. Don't make me do it again.
Yeah.
This is. It pulled my pants.
It's so fun.
Oh my god.
Wow, it's already been 2 minutes.
This is not gonna be fun. Can you go first?
No. Run on it. See how fast you're running on it.
Alright. What if I can't stop it?
All right, you're good.
Run! Okay, we're at 4.5. We're more than what it was. Nope. You gotta do this.
Alright. My little Tootsie Roll.
Alright, we are not going any faster than 5.
My butt bone hurts.
Mine does too. Why are we doing this?
We need a butt cushion.
Oh my god.
Because we like to see ourselves hurt. Put a pillow on your butt or something. Not my pillow pet.
Oh wow.
Quackers. And quackers can sit right
Let
there.
me try it out first.
Is it still 4.5?
Yeah.
Is it fun? It makes you stop.
Should we bring it out more?
There. But it doesn't hurt your butt.
Dude, if this sucks, if it hits my head on this thing, it's all on you. It works! No, I do that again.
It dented the pillow.
Dude, this is gonna suck.
What's it at?
5.
Oh my gosh!
Alright.
This is fast. It's like a delayed reaction.
Exactly. Ow! Alright, we're almost to 5 and I'm stopping. It hurts your hands.
Yours?
What's it at now? You should try 5 first.
Oh, that wasn't too bad.
It actually isn't bad at all. It's just.
It's a delayed reaction from when you
Alright,
sit
it's
down.
not fine.
Alright. My butt already has a bruise on it. Now it hurts even more. Go, Morgan.
Your turn. Your turn.
Where'd the other pillow go? This is the last time I'm doing it.
Alright.
5's my lucky number. Watch me fall and die.
There's her landing.
You're scary.
It's not scary at all.